Okay, some of you might be wondering, oh, but how come the dates are a bit funny? For example, September 2nd, and then September 5th, and here is September 9th, and then September 12th. This is due to a weekend setting. So basically, the default setting on Gantt chart is that your project will only happen during weekdays. On weekends, no task will get done. And this is because in the majority of cases, for example, in a factory environment or in a business environment, weekends are rest days for workers. If you want workers to work on weekends, usually this will push up the project cost quite significantly because you need to pay overtime and such. But in a lot of cases, especially if you have tight deadlines to follow, then you need to change the weekend setting. For example, you want to set it so that your project will be happening 6 days a week or even 7 days a week. Some projects are working around the clock. So in order to change the weekend setting, all you need to do is to go to Project, go to Property, select Calendar, and here the default setting is that during weekends, no task can run. So just click on the drop-down arrow and select all tasks run as on the other days. Uncheck the Saturday and Sunday, and now your project will be working around the clock 7 days a week. Click OK. Now let's see what happens. So you can see that now September 9 is a Friday, but on September 10 and 11, work will resume as normal. So let's change by moving the dates around. Yep, how it works.